CenterPoint Energy says more than 1,000 personnel mobilized to restore power in southwest Indiana after Sunday's winter storm. By Wednesday, the company said its workers, contractors, and mutual aid crews had about 65% of customers who were impacted by the snow and ice back on the grid. The utility company says all customers should be restored by the end of the day Friday. The National Weather Service is predicting up to 4 inches of new snow in the Evansville area on Friday, with the highest totals expected south of the area. The agency says the forecast may be adjusted as the storm gets closer. A group known as Evansville Jeepers helped get essential workers to their jobs in the snow and ice. 30 volunteers provided transportation for medical workers, nursing home employees, and others. More on these and other stories at news.wnin.org.